Hey, what's up guys? So today we're doing some POV photography in Edgewater Park, and this is in Cleveland, Ohio. I'll be using what I consider my budget gear, which is my Fuji X-T1 and my Viltrox 56mm f1.4. You know, this gear costs less than 500 bucks and you get top of the line images. So in this photo walk, I do walk around and it's mainly photographing trees, but I do, if I see something that's interesting, I do take a picture of it. And it's just a relaxing photo walk for me to get out there. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy the sounds of Cleveland. Watch the shot. And if you do enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Go ahead and like it, and I'd love to hear a comment on what I should do next. Thanks and enjoy. Just a quick check-in to tell you about how I incorporate my street photography into other aspects of my photography. You know, you go around everywhere and you always memorize these places and you want to use them in future shoots. Here's an example of how I used it with the portrait shoot I did, and that's with the Viltrox 85mm f1.8. Fantastic lens. It's really worth getting if you can't get that Fuji 90. And I also used the Fuji 35mm f2 for that shoot. I would love to know if anyone's interested in seeing some POV portraiture. I'd love to get a model, do a bit of walking, and show you how that goes. All right, checking out again. All right, thank you. Enjoy.